mostly neglected. Yes, anemia, iron deficiency. We are glad that we chose this topic as Finding Back is on a mission of helping women for their overall well-being. And I am glad that there are many people are joining us for this initiative. One of them is Dhruvi Malde. Welcome you, Dhruvi. Hi, Dhruvi. Welcome you. Dhruvi is yoga instructor, holistic coach, nutritionist who is on a mission of helping women to reclaim their physical health. And our next speaker is multi-talented personality, finalist of the International Glamour Project Mrs. India 2020-21. She is honored by the Human Welfare Organization for the Bharat Shri Award 2019 for her outstanding contribution in social sector. She is a social activist, currently creating a conscious awareness among women for making our India anemia free, which is a pioneering goal of Government of India. I welcome you, Arpita Srivastav.
Thanks for that lovely introduction, Saili. And मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार सभी दर्शकों को.
We are glad to have these two wonderful people. So let's start the session. Arpita, you are doing an amazing job, okay? And your story is so inspiring. When I connected with you, I was like, oh, a woman handling so many responsibilities. I really wanted to know how you started your journey from a service sector to corporate sector, then a social activist. What really drives you?
First of all, let me correct you with one thing. According to me, all women are an asset in themselves, And the another important point is this: we are women. So there is a chip inbuilt in us which has to have a multitasking abilities. So, I must say that sometimes you need to keep evolving with your life and accept the challenges in your life and be ready to face, with an attitude of never give up. And I think it all depends on the individuals also. Like I was one of the adventurous child, and how the life moves on, and that's how I molded myself. Sometimes life is not very easy for you. It's just like a roller coaster ride for me, because the moment when I thought that everything is sorted, I'm settled in my life, the very next moment everything was gone from me. There was a stage in my life when I had a good career, a really reliable, good job, good position, lot of fame. And I want to share a very small story also. I was representing Taj internationally for an international food festival at France, Courchevel. It's a place known for skiing. And I think that was one of the landmarks for me, because at such a small age, you have an exposure of an international. I'm talking about the year 2004. So pretty long time. So, but then the moment when I came back and I was on my job, I collapsed. And everyone was like, what went wrong? Because I was very, very proactive, very active kind of a female. And the other day I came to know I had a brain stroke and I was paralytic for a year. And I was on medication for 3 years down the line. But then, as I said, that's how if you're asking me how I landed from the service to the corporate and the social, this is the story. But then I never wanted to lead my life lying on the bed, accepting the way I am. I was like, no, I have to get up, not for myself, but for my parents who have a lot of hope and aspirations for me. So I tried a new task with my physical disabilities. I will not say physical, I was not mentally handicapped, to be honest. But that's what I want to give a message. If you're physically unfit, that doesn't mean that you are mentally handicapped, guys. You know? So that's how I entered to the corporate world, because 16 to 18 hours of standing service line job, then to a corporate 5 days working, Saturday and Sunday off, was like a, I might not say what kind of perk for me. But then there also I excelled. I did really well. I upgraded myself, because at certain level, when you are on an administrative level, you need to upgrade. I did my MBA from the HR from Dalmia Institute, Mumbai University, and that's how I try to learn the PR skills and a lot of stuff. There also I excelled a lot. But again, my health issues were behind me. Finally, I thought, because the family and the concern, then I got married, then I had a baby. All women go through this lifetime. And then finally I said that, okay, fine, let me, because since starting I had a passion for the social work. And that's how I landed into the social sector, because then I can do everything on my own terms and conditions, looking to my physical needs. So that's a small story about me there. Sally, you're on mute.
It's such an inspiring story, Arpita, how you bounce back and your physical disability or the physical issue, you bounce back because you are mentally, emotionally very strong. And the message, what if I have to summarize just in one sentence, it's like you are unstoppable. If you have a desire to do something in life, you can bounce back through any situations, and that's what you have been doing it, and it's commendable. I think the audience who are watching us, wonderful women, don't think that you can't do anything. You can always start working on your desire, working on your passion anytime. Don't ever stop yourself. Be unstoppable. So that's wonderful to know about you, Arpita. And I just wanted to say, like, when we were discussing about this project, and me and Rui was also, getting a lot of questions about what exactly, if I want to really take care of my iron deficiency, how we should go. So we were planning for this session. And in fact, this time we have received many questions also from our audience on our email and on WhatsApp, appreciating us that, this deficiency is people are not speaking more about it. And it's glad that you have chosen this topic. So I wanted to know how this project is very close to your heart.
Honestly, when I met with an accident, then only I came to know that I am an anemic. You know what I mean to say? And I think that goes with general with everyone. Trust me. I think whosoever is listening, I must say, you, Sally, you being a female, tell me one thing. Most of us know about anemia when we get pregnant.
True.
Is that right?
True.
But yeah. So, but then it's like, okay, in pregnancy only we need iron tablets. After that, we don't need. Do ever anyone realizes that fact, that whenever we are dizzy, whenever we are tired or not feeling well, people never have a sympathetic attitude. They often say that it's an excuse you wanted to do of not doing the work. Guys, please listen carefully. When we can do so many things, please have a consideration that if we are really unhappy or unhealthy or tired, there might be some reason behind it, or we take it so casually. क्या फर्क पड़ता है, सर में दर्द हो रहा है, normal है. Even I honestly, I tell you, for me it was a very normal thing to have headaches. I used to take it lightly, because in the service industry I was like, we had a very less sleep of 4 hours, 5 hours, shift rotations and all used to happen, and I often used to have headaches, and I used to take it very lightly. I used to say, maybe I didn't got a proper sleep, so it's a headache. But when I met with my paralytic attack, it was the symptoms that my body was showing, which I was ignoring, thinking it's just a normal headache.
Oh, so let's hear from our special nutritionist who has been catering women and on various. She's like more onto nutritionist, dietitian. She is helping women to bounce back and reclaim their physical health. Dhruvi, I really wanted to know exactly anemia क्या है, क्यों होता है, और इसके सिम्टम्स क्या है. एज अर्पिता सेड कि हेडेक होना, टायर्ड होना. सो आई थिंक नॉर्मली हम सब लोग थ्रू आउट अ डे और थ्रू आउट अ वीक आई थिंक बहुत बार बोलते हैं आई एम टायर्ड, और मे बी वैन वुमन आर हैविंग हर मेंस्ट्रुएशन पीरियड, दैट टाइम भी हमें लगता है कि हम टायर्ड हो गए हैं. सो कैसे ये नॉर्मल फटीग से एनीमिया का फटीग, हाउ इट इज़ डिफरेंट, वी वुड जस्ट रियली लाइक टू नो कि क्या है, मैं कैसे एक नॉर्मल वुमन कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करे कि उसको आयरन डेफिशिएंसी है.
Yes, Sandy. और the way अर्पिता said कि उनको dizziness लगती थी, headache होता था. Every woman go through this and we as a woman only हम यही समझते कि नहीं because stress है इसीलिए headache हो रहा है, हमने बहुत सारा काम कर लिया इसीलिए थकान होती है, but वो कुछ समय तक होती है. But if it is consistently happening, our body is giving us that sign that something is wrong and we have to look upon it. And this is where women goes wrong. यहाँ हम गलती करते हैं. हमारी अगर हम सिम्टम्स की बात करें तो हमारी स्किन तेज दिखती है. जब हम एनीमिक होते हैं ना, हमारी स्किन टोन अलग हो जाती है, हमारे हेयर फॉल स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, जो नेल्स हैं वो ब्रिटल हो जाते हैं. ओके, हमें बहुत ज्यादा डिजीनेस हो जाती है, हमें बहुत सारी चीजों की क्रेविंग होती है, जैसे आइस खाने की क्रेविंग होती है या क्ले खाने की भी बहुत फीमेल्स को क्रेविंग होती है. अगर ये सारी क्रेविंग्स हो रही है कंसिस्टेंट बेसिस पे, दैट मीन्स कि हमारी बॉडी हमें साइन दे रही है कि देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद अस एंड वी हैव टू कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर. प्लीज आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द फीमेल्स, अगर आपको कंसिस्टेंटली डिजीनेस हो रही है, फटीग फील हो रहा है, अभी समर्स आएंगे तो समर्स में हमें नॉर्मली हम धूप से आएंगे थक जाएंगे, सो वी विल फील कि हाँ धूप से आए थक गए, बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. इफ यू विल सी इट इज हैपनिंग कंसिस्टेंटली 15 days 20 days और अ मंथ, प्लीज 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 डोंट टेक इट, डोंट नेग्लेक्ट इट, टेक इट सीरियसली एंड गो टू अ डॉक्टर. अब इसमें अनीमिया में ये होता कैसे है, पहले तो अनीमिया है क्या, आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन. अनीमिया इज अ ब्लड डिसऑर्डर. जिस ब्लड में 3 टाइप्स के सेल्स होते हैं, एक आरबीसी होता है, डब्ल्यूबीसी होता है, प्लेटलेट होता है. तो आरबीसी क्या करता है, ऑक्सीजन हमारे पूरे बॉडी में सप्लाई करने का काम करता है. किसके द्वारा करता है, हीमोग्लोबिन के द्वारा करता है. एंड ये जो हीमोग्लोबिन है वो आयरन और प्रोटीन से बना होता है. तो 70% ऑफ हमारा जो आरबीसी है वो आयरन से बना होता है. और अगर हम वो ही चीज नहीं ले रहे हैं along with other nutrients, vitamin B12 भी कम होता है, फॉलिक एसिड भी कम होता है, बट मेजर इज आयरन. उसके वजह से, उसकी डेफिशिएंसी के वजह से हमें अनीमिया होता है. और ये होता क्यों है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारी लाइफस्टाइल. जैसे आजकल हम बहुत सारे प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स, पैकेज्ड फूड्स खाने लगे हैं, राइट. तो ये क्या करता है ना, उसमें होता है क्या है, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स होता है जो हमारी गट लाइनिंग वीक कर देता है, एब्जॉर्ब ही नहीं होने देते आयरन को. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, हम एडिक्वेट आयरन नहीं लेते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स आर ऑन डाइट. सो वो डाइट करके क्या करते हैं कि दे आर eating less foods and not the correct food what they are supposed to take. They neglect the one particular food group. जैसे now the trend is of no carb food, but the carbs जो millets है हमारे, बाजरा, रागी, राजगीरा, that are very good in iron. And अगर आप ये ही neglect करोगे तो आपको बॉडी को नहीं मिलेगा. थर्ड थिंग इज, हमें आदत होती है हमारे फूड के साथ, स्पेशली हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट है उसके साथ चाय कॉफी पीते. जो कैफीन कंटेंट होता है ना चाय और कॉफी में, वो भी हमारा आयरन एब्जॉर्ब होने नहीं देता. So I would request and advise all the people who are watching, please आप आपका ब्रेकफास्ट अलग से करिए एंड चाय कॉफी 1 या 2 घंटे के बाद ले, ना कि साथ में. एंड so yeah, this is the reasons. and heavy menstrual loss. अगर आपको ज्यादा ब्लड फ्लो होता है आपके मेंसेस के टाइम पे तो भी आयरन लॉस होने के चांसेस है. तो प्लीज प्लीज इनटेक आपकी आयरन की ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. along with विटामिन सी रिच फूड. आयरन के एब्जॉर्प्शन के लिए विटामिन सी रिच फूड बहुत ही जरूरी है, वरना आयरन आप सिर्फ लेते रहोगे और विटामिन सी फूड नहीं ले रहे हो तो भी उसका एब्जॉर्प्शन नहीं होगा।
थैंक यू ध्रुवी। आई थिंक वन पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नॉर्मली हम लोग हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट चाय के साथ करते हैं। आई थिंक
एग्जैक्टली
most of the people maybe
90% of the people
right?
do, yes,
हाँ,
and so that is very, क्या करता है उसमें एक सब्सटेंस होता है, कंपोनेंट होता है टैनिन्स करके जो हिंडर करता है आयरन एब्जॉर्प्शन,
ओके।
तो वो नहीं लेना है। चाय आप बाद में पी लो,
हाँ,
नाश्ता कर लो उसके बाद चाय पी लो, बट
मोस्ट
उसके
ऑफ द
साथ
टाइम क्या होता है, सुबह उठ के हमें चाय और नाश्ता चाहिए। सो वी नेवर थिंक दैट जो नाश्ता हम कर रहे हैं उसका न्यूट्रिशन हमें मिल नहीं रहा है, बिकॉज वी आर ड्रिंकिंग टी एंड कॉफी टुगेदर अलॉन्ग विथ आवर ब्रेकफास्ट, राइट? सो ये बहुत छोटी बात
Here
है,
I would
बहुत
also
बड़ा
like to
impact है। या
Here I also would like to add one thing कि जैसे ही start होता है दिन, please don't start your day with tea or coffee. वो आपका acid increase कर देता है आपकी body में. So make sure you start your day with a simple plain glass of water. Have one fruit or few nuts and then start with tea or coffee. But first thing, please make sure that आप दिन की शुरुआत ही tea या coffee से नहीं करते हो. ना करें.
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू, इट्स वेरी इंसाइटफुल। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी आई ओपनर। लाइक छोटी छोटी अपनी हैबिट्स वी डोंट रियलाइज, बिकॉज हम लोग इतनी कंडीशनड हो जाते हैं, वो बरसों से कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते आ रहे हैं, वी रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें कितना इम्पैक्ट कर रही है हमारे हेल्थ के लिए। अर्पिता, आई वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस जब भी आप ये सोशल इनिशिएटिव रन कर रहे हो। यू मस्ट बी मीटिंग टू मेनी पीपल, मेनी वुमेन, राइट? तो जैसे ध्रुवी ने बताया फ्रॉम अ फूड एंड हैबिट एस्पेक्ट्स, ओके, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है? जब भी आप बहुत सारी वुमेन से बात कर रहे हो, डू यू थिंक उनको वो अवेयरनेस है या अवेयरनेस नहीं है, एंड दे आर रियली ट्राइंग टू फाइट दिस डेफिशिएंसी? क्या आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है ये?
See, Sally, the most very important thing is this ना कि हम कभी अपने को प्रायोरिटी नहीं रखते हैं। हमारे लिए हमारी प्रायोरिटीज हमारे बच्चे, हमारे हस्बैंड, हमारा करियर होता है। और अगर तुम फूड हैबिट्स की भी बात करती हो तो हमें तो चलता है, एटीट्यूड चलता है ना कि हाँ भाई जल्दी से मंच कर लो, जो बच गया है वो खा लो। We never think of the vitamins and the protein that we are intaking. Honestly, I think सबके साथ होगा, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं ही रेजोनेट करूंगी। और ये कारण है कि महिलाओं के लिए, क्योंकि उनको इतने काम होते हैं कि उनके लिए प्रायोरिटीज बदल जाती है। इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि थोड़ा ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। आपको क्या लगता है ये अनीमिया ड्राइव इतने सालों से चल रहा है, यू नो इट्स बीन द गवर्नमेंट इज अनीमिया मुक्त भारत हो गया, कितने कैंपेन्स हो गए, ड्राइव्स हो गया। आखिर कारण क्या है कि तब भी हमारी 50% पॉपुलेशन सफर कर रही है? देयर हैज टू बी सम रीजन बिहाइंड इट, क्योंकि हर फैमिली की वुमेन एक बैकबोन होती है, एक पिलर होती है, और उसी को सारा काम करना होता है। And at the end of the day, उसको ऐसा लगता है कि she is happy when she is serving the other people, irrespective of her, क्योंकि वो अपनी खुशी दूसरों में ढूंढने की कोशिश करती है। लेकिन मेरा बस यही कहना है कि देर ना हो जाए, कुछ अनहोनी ना हो जाए, इसलिए पहले से सचेत रही हूँ कि कृपा करके अपना ख्याल और ध्यान रखें। और छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि घर में मैं जब छोटी थी तो मैं देखती थी हमारी दादी लोग वो काम करते थे। अब हम लोग सब लोग इतने बिजी हो गए अपने लाइफ शेड्यूल्स में कि हमें पता तो सब है, आई एम श्योर एवरीवन इज अवेयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, बट हार्डली वी डू। थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन कीजिए। गुड़ ऐसी चीज सबके घर में अवेलेबल होता है, गुड़ खाइए। हमें याद है कि हम लोग छोटे छोटे से थे तो ड्राई फ्रूट्स की चिक्कियां बनाती थी हमारी दादी लोग, यू नो इट वाज द न्यूट्रिशन। नाउ यू कम टू नो विद फैंसी नेम्स, यू नो न्यूट्रिशनल बार विद ऑल काइंड ऑफ आलमंड्स एंड एवरीथिंग। सी ऑनेस्टली अगर देखा जाए तो सब पुरानी चीजें ही लौट के वापस आ रही है। आप देखिए साग, साग ऐसी चीज हमारे यहाँ लोहे की कढ़ाई में बनता है। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट विल एनहांस द आयरन इनटेक इनटू इट। पर अब कौन लोहे की कढ़ाई यूज कर रहा है? Everyone is using non-sticks now. So छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, आप अपने घर में छोटी छोटी चीजों से बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं जो पुराने हमारे कल्चर में थी, जो कि अब एक तरीके से बिल्कुल यूज में नहीं है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा।
So
And I
wonderful.
think हम ही लोगों को करना पड़ेगा ये काम.
Yes, I think अर्पिता आपने जो बात की वो every woman will resonate with this. घर पे गरम रोटियां will prefer, we want to give गरम रोटी to elders, to our husband and to our kids. बट जब भी खुद के लिए वो गरम रोटी बनानी आती है तो वी थिंक कि नहीं चल यार एक रोटी है मैं खा लूंगी. बहुत बार हम
खाली एक रोटी खा नहीं लूंगी, होता क्या है बासी जो बची है वो खा लेते हैं. Let it be honest.
yes and in fact मैंने ये भी देखा है मदर who has just delivered and managing elder kids and small baby, बहुत बार वो लोग बेबी फूड भी खा लेते हैं बिकॉज उतना टाइम नहीं रहता है उनके पास कि आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर डिनर फॉर माय एल्डर्स एंड माय एल्डर सन एंड छोटे वाले को भी मुझे फीड कराना है, उसको वो बेबी फूड दे दिया और खुद भी वो बेबी फूड खा लेते हैं. बट वी डोंट रियलाइज कि टाइम नहीं है करने के चक्कर में हम कुछ भी खा लेते हैं, फिर अपने पास अपनी हेल्थ के लिए ही टाइम नहीं रहता है. सो जो आपने बोला कहीं देर ना हो जाए, and I think to all the viewers, to all the wonderful women who will be watching our recording later also, as Arpita rightly said, देर ना हो जाए. नोटिस करो कि कौन सी आपकी खुद की ऐसी आदतें हैं जिसकी वजह से आपको फिजिकली और मेंटली बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है. बिफोर इट बिकम्स टू लेट आपको ही खुद का ख्याल रखना है. आप पूरे घर का पूरे परिवार का ख्याल रखते हो, बट अगर आप ही बैकबोन हो जो वो स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं रहेगी तो एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू कोलैप्स. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सेइंग प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू योरसेल्फ. एंड इट्स नॉट दैट कि जस्ट एक खाने की बात है. आई वुड अगेन हाईलाइट हियर बिकॉज फाइंडिंग बैक इज अ वुमेन्स कम्युनिटी हु इज वर्किंग फॉर हेल्पिंग वुमन नॉट ओनली टू रिक्लेम देयर फिजिकल हेल्थ बट ओवरऑल हेल्थ. छोटी छोटी चीजों से भी वी गेट इमोशनली हर्ट एंड देन हम लोग बोलते नहीं खाना है मुझे. कुछ छोटे इश्यू है, डिस्प्यूट होता है एंड वी अवॉइड ईटिंग. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. It's your body, you have to look after for yourself. As rightly Arpita said कि she was doing fabulous in her career and she started neglecting. उसको खुद को ही नहीं पता चला, right Arpita? But
Yes.
the one fine day जब भी मेजर कुछ हुआ लाइफ में then we realize it. So better we don't go to that stage. Why can't we prevent this deficiency at this very moment जहाँ पे अपने पास बहुत सारी resources हैं. See, people go to nutritionists, dietitians, Google कर लेते हैं, सब कुछ पता भी है. There are many women who are aware about what is anemia. ऐसा नहीं कि लोगों को पता नहीं है. The thing is that people are not aware and not taking conscious effort to come out of this deficiency. And इसके लिए ये हमारा आज का प्रोग्राम है to create an awareness. And I think Arpita, you are doing fantastic job on that. I really request for the audience who are watching us, if you have any question, kindly pour it. We will take it last 10 minutes or during the session. I just wanted to know, as you mentioned कि government इतना सारा कर रही है, ध्रुवी, I want to know कि एक normal woman है, house maker है, home maker है, वो कैसे खुद को prevent करे. जैसे आपने बताया कि ये foods है, this should be your habit. We always prefer, is there any super food कि ये मैंने खा लिया और मुझे अच्छा खासा आयरन मिल गया. Like जैसे बच्चों के लिए हम हॉर्लिक्स लेते हैं कि अच्छा हाइट बढ़ जाएगा. So is there any super food, एक meat, I don't know how you call it, but women always ask, like we have received a question, the participant has asked that I think that I'm having this iron deficiency because the symptoms what I Google it out, it is more or less, I can see that I'm going through those symptoms. So I am very busy, I'm a corporate woman and very busy. I don't want to go for a medicine. Is there any superfood which I can have just early in the morning and I can just get a proper iron in my body? So Dhruvi, what is your view onto this?
First of all, I would like to tell that there is no kind of superfood जैसा कुछ नहीं होता. You have to have everything, all the nutrients to get everything what is required by your body. बट देर आर सर्टेन फूड्स जो आयरन, जिसमें आयरन की मात्रा ज्यादा होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हरी, गार्डन क्रेस सीड्स बोलते हैं उसको इंग्लिश में, एंड मराठी हिंदी में उसको हरिंग बोलते हैं, विच आर रेड कलर के छोटे छोटे सीड्स होते हैं. तो उसका 1 टेबलस्पून अगर आप लेते हो तो इट गिव्स यू 12 मिलीग्राम्स पर डे. ओके, 12 मिलीग्राम्स 1 टेबलस्पून आपको तुरंत दे देता है, विच इज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 60% ऑफ योर डेली रिक्वायरमेंट. हाउ यू कैन हैव जस्ट सोक इट इन वाटर फॉर 2 hours. 2 hours आपको सोक करना है, when you want to drink it, just squeeze a lemon on it and drink. जैसे मैंने बताया था, whenever you have to take any iron thing, आपको विटामिन सी उसके साथ लेना है. ओके, सो आप ये लोगे एंड ड्रिंक दैट. आप हलिंग वाटर ड्रिंक कर सकते हो. सेकेंड थिंग इज मोरिंगा लीव्स. अगर आपने सुना होगा, दिस इज वेरी बिग, मतलब अभी बहुत ट्रेंड में है. जो हम पहले यूज करते थे ड्रम स्टिक इन अवर सांबार एंड एवरीथिंग, सो उसके लीव्स अभी बहुत सारे लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. तो आप वो भी उसके लीव्स यूज कर सकते हो. इट हैज 3 times more iron than spinach. स्पिनाच भी आप यूज कर सकते हो, एंड 7 times more विटामिन सी देन ऑरेंज. तो आप वो 1 टीस्पून वाटर में मिक्स करके भी पी सकते हो. देन इज व्हीट ग्रास जूस. व्हीट ग्रास आप घर पे भी उसका पौधा लगा सकते हो, व्हीट उसको पाउडर कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन जस्ट add 1 teaspoon in water and drink as a mid-meal or as an early morning drink. ठीक है, so these are the, not, I would not say a super food. You have to eat everything, wholesome food, like आपके carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals आपको सब मिलने चाहिए. But if you want to increase it, then you can specifically take this 3 and your iron will boost up. Okay, and yes, we were talking about कि women are more prevalent because हमें menstruation होता है तो blood loss ज्यादा होता है, and then there is pregnancy. To add on requirements, I would just tell कि recommended allowances, you have to take 18 milligrams per day of iron for normal females, and if you are pregnant, you are supposed to take 27 milligrams per day.
Wow.
Okay, along with vitamin C, and vitamin B12 and folic acid भी आपको उसके साथ लेना है, which will वो आपको whole grain से फोलेट आपको होल ग्रेन से, ब्रोकली से, बीन्स से, चिक्की से मिल जाएगा. एंड विटामिन B12 इज पर्टिकुलरली प्रेजेंट ओनली इन एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स, दैट इज मीट, सी फूड एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स.
Great. It's a wonderful information, Dhruvi. Thank you very much for this. ये तो हुआ इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं. I just want to know from Arpita, collectively, like you are on a mission to make India, anemia free. So collectively हम इसे prevent करने के लिए massively क्या कर सकते हैं, together what we can do. Because this is a silent killer. I was going through the research on it. It is known as a silent killer. This deficiency is so prevalent not only in women but even for young children too. And the numbers, it's very high, and it's very difficult for us to actually go through and पूरा उसको नाबूद करने के लिए collectively क्या कर सकते हैं.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं कि हम ही को ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा. That's what I say. It's my conscious efforts to awaken the Shakti within yourself, suffering that is never talked about, instead of relying on governments and everything, because it's really a matter of concern कि सरकार इतना पैसा खर्च करती है, फ्री में इतने मील्स और इतनी टैबलेट्स बांटती है, तो भी सिंस 1990 से देखा जाए तो भी 50% पॉपुलेशन अपनी एनेमिक है. तो कोई तो कारण होगा. There has to be some reason. And then I thought, there is no reason. Actually, it is a matter of mindset.
Very true.
It's just we need to take care of the mindset. That's it. हम फ्री में कुछ भी बांट दें, लेकिन अगर हम उसको यूज ही नहीं करेंगे तो क्या मतलब है.
Very true.
और पॉइंट ये भी है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जितने भी अपने फ्रंटियर्स वॉरियर्स हैं या मेडिकल लोग भी हैं, आई एम श्योर कि वो फीमेल्स को भी नहीं पता होगा ये बात कि देयर इज अ गाइडलाइंस बाय द नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन कि आपको हफ्ते में एक बार, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ आप हो चाहे ना हो, लेकिन आपको हफ्ते में एक आयरन टैबलेट प्रिस्क्राइब्ड है। ये इन्फॉर्मेशन किसको पता होगी?
Very true. I think even I was unaware about this, Arpita.
Yes, you go
Thanks.
on the guidelines and check.
Okay.
It's prescribed, but hardly anyone knows about it. So that's how I am trying on every platform to do an awareness that start taking care of yourself. You know, अगर हम अपना ख्याल रखेंगे तो ही हम दूसरों का ख्याल रख पाएंगे.
Very true. Very true. And I think it's for today's session, I think there are a lot of new learnings and new information. As you said right now, I was also not aware that, that every once in a week you are supposed to take that, and even our frontliners and all. So this is so wonderful. So इसका awareness लोगों तक पहुंचाना as a collectively, this is very important. And the deficiency का जो rate है, it's not only in rural area of India. It is more into urban part of India also. So
that's what I say. That why we are catering to rural India. It's the graph is about the urban also the same. So are we illiterates? You mean to say? Or we are not bothered about our health?
I think we are not bothered about it. Most of the time we wait for something to happen and then we take care of our health, which is very, very wrong. We don't want to pay a high thing for our health. It's better जहाँ से जगे हो वहाँ से सपेरा. And yeah, so start taking care of your health, wonderful ladies. We have few questions, Dhruvi, for you.
Yes, please.
There is question from Komal Shah. She is saying,
can she take milk in breakfast or not? Yes, you can definitely have a cup of milk with your breakfast.
yes, she is saying, can we take milk with breakfast if not tea or coffee?
Yes, we can definitely take a cup of milk with her breakfast. Saidi, your video is off.
Yeah, I'm just facing some issues. Yeah. And
Okay.
we have another question. I think we have answered this. Which are the natural foods which will help to increase the iron level?
See, for vegetarians, if you say, there are many sources available. You can have garden cress seeds, you can have moringa leaves powder, you can have this wheatgrass powder, then you can have normal sesame seeds, rajgira hai, quinoa hai, oats hai, flaxseed, sesame seeds, nuts hai, आपके chickpeas, kidney beans hai, then what you say, चना है, बेसन है, वो सब आपको आयरन लेवल्स अच्छी मात्रा में देता है. बट मेक श्योर कि आप ये सब के साथ विटामिन सी भी लो. जो वेजिटेरियन सोर्स है उसकी बायो अवेलेबिलिटी कम होती है, मतलब उसका एब्जॉर्प्शन कम होता है. उसके साथ उसके लिए हमें विटामिन सी लेना इज कंपल्सरी. सो यू कैन टेक लेमन जूस है, ऑरेंज खा सकते हो आप, टोमेटो की प्यूरी डाल सकते हो आपकी चिट्टी में राजमा बनाते वक्त. सो दैट विल हेल्प यू टू एब्जॉर्ब आयरन मच बेटर. And if you are a non-vegetarian, then seafoods hai, meat hai, liver hai, you can have all.
Okay. Dhruvi, we have one more question. She's asking, my daughter is 13-year-old and she has started her periods. As I have Googled out about the iron deficiency after reading about your program, how can I make sure that my daughter should not be an anemic?
You can see as we have mentioned the signs and symptoms कि उनको pale skin है, hair loss हो रहा है, या she is continuously feeling tired or low in energy, please make a check. And otherwise, just make sure that she is having a good amount of iron in her meals. And if she's a teenager, so अगर if she's fussy, मतलब वो लोग नहीं खाते हैं, तो you can give it in a form of hidden form में भी आप दे सकते हो. जैसे आपने थेपला बना लिया, just put the methi leaves or spinach in that, or else you just make a laddu और चिक्की के form में भी आप दे सकते हो.
Okay, that's great. And I think it's so wonderful, Arpita and Dhruvi, that the mother of our generations had started realizing that ये deficiency बहुत harmful है, and you know they don't want their daughter to suffer. And I think it's a best step they are started taking, and I think it's worth for us also, as we are creating this awareness through various programs of ours. Arpita is doing wonderful job, and the Finding Back team is doing wonderful job. And women have started realizing, and I thanks to the mother who has put this question. It's wonderful to know that you are so concerned about your daughter and you have started taking step on it. So please continue and do educate to your other fellow women also.
Siali, I want to say something.
Yes.
The question what the lady asked about her daughter. You know, today's kids are very finicky. You know, when you come, ask them that these things are really good for your health. Do try that. They will do all the tantrums not to have it. Because I'm a mother, you're a mother, and you know that very well.
True.
So, according to me, what my granny told me, I wanted to share that with the audience, is that we have amla. Everyone has heard about amla. ड्राई फ्रूट में आंवला मीठा भी आता है, मुरब्बा आता है. आई एम श्योर पीपल माइट बी नोइंग आंवले का मुरब्बा. और ये सीजन है, ये जो स्पेसिफिक अभी जो चल रहा है, आंवले का मुरब्बे आते हैं. बच्चों को बहुत पसंद है मीठा. आप आंवले के मुरब्बे खिलाइए, वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ आयरन. दूसरी चीज, ड्राई फ्रूट्स में अंजीर आता है, फिग्स जिसे बोलते हैं हम. आप उसको काजू किशमिश बादाम के साथ पीस करके बच्चों को एज ए चिक्की फॉर्म में या बार फॉर्म में दे सकती हैं. बच्चे बहुत मन से खाएंगे.
ये टेक्निक मैं मेरे बच्चों के साथ ट्राई करती हूँ हमेशा, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट दे लव द figs. Very
You can
good.
make an anjeer milkshake also and can give.
Yes, that's what I was saying. You know, बच्चों को मीठा बहुत पसंद है,
Yes.
so you can try all kind of shakes, all kind of laddus, all kind of bars to make them engage, and they will have it. Because I try with my son.
Right. So true, very true. And I think a conversation में, you know, somewhere I'm getting that message. We should go back to our roots.
Very true.
इतना इंडियन कल्चर इतना वाइड है. वी हैव सो मेनी वराइटीज ऑफ फ्रूट्स, फूड, कितने सारे ग्रेन्स हैं. वी रियली डोंट नीड टू टेक अ टैबलेट अगर हम लोग प्रॉपरली अपना आयरन यू नो ये फूड से अब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ वी आर नॉट एबल टू, देन ओनली वी हैव टू गो फॉर अ मेडिसिन, राइट अर्पिता? But I think
Yeah, very true. And Siali, one more message I would like to give to our youngsters through your platform. Guys, you guys are very fascinated about this fancy diets. We have ketos, we have Mediterranean, we had so many diets, and now people are turning into be a vegan. Nothing against anyone. The message what I mean to say is this: like the people, especially for the vegans who are turning nowadays, they are more prone to be anemic. So you guys have to take care a lot. The reason why I'm sharing this is this, because I lost one of my very dear ones, and the person was a vegan, and he went to a depression just because he couldn't realize that fact that he has that kind of deficiency, because iron deficiency also leads to mental sickness. And we can see, and we all have seen in pandemic, so many cases of the suicidal and depression. So, you know, we take it everything very lightly, but then when we go into the deep and something happens, and then we, you know, realize, oh shit, this was the cause. And we never knew about it. So please, whatever you do it for your health, please see whether you are taking all the nutrition properly or not. Because iron malnutrition deficiency ranks number 9. So That's what I want to give a message to the youngsters through your platform, Siali.
Uh, Thank you very much. And I think
Yes, I would like to add here what
Yeah, please.
Arpita said that vegan उसमें बहुत yes, as you rightly said the vegan are deficient because iron तो फिर भी they can get through the sources, what you can say veg sources, but B12 की वजह से भी वो anemic होते हैं and B12 ही नहीं होता because B12 का main sources is animal source and they don't eat milk and milk products from the because they are vegan. So they have to take supplements of B12. Otherwise, it is very dangerous because
Dangerous,
our nervous system is very dangerous because our nervous system is affected directly when we are iron deficient, B12 and folic acid deficient. So please, anyone who is vegan, please make sure that you are taking all the nutrients in proper form, specifically iron, vitamin B12, and folate.
so I think one need to be really conscious what diet we are, taking. We are not against of any diet, right? We just want you should have a balanced diet, which will not only give you, make you physically healthy, but it should give you, it should be healthy from mind. It should not affect your nervous system, which is a pillar of our, a brain. Our nervous system is a pillar of ourselves. So basically it's like one need to be very conscious what we are eating, how we are eating. Is just not about one deficiency. Neglecting this one deficiency will cause so many problems physically and psychologically. So it's a humble request to everyone, as we are making an effort to create an awareness about the iron deficiency. Please you be aware and make other people aware about this deficiency. For this wonderful cause, we Arpita is working very hard, and she has started some campaign also. We have put a link in the comment box. If you really feel the need to have our India free from iron deficiency, kindly be generous and make an effort. The link is shared with you. Do share with others and do the needful. As it helps you, it will help other people also. Uh, so this with this wonderful message, Arpita, I just wanted to have a last message from you to our wonderful women who are watching and who will be watching our recording later. Not only about the iron deficiency, as you have fought your journey, uh, wonderful career woman, then you bounce back, you started, you have reclaimed your health. You have not allowed yourself to go and just relax on the bed. You made your point that you can bounce back and you can really make a difference in many lives. Since you are handling many social projects, you are on many platforms, you are working with rural India also. So, what message you want to give to our audience who are still struggling to bounce back, who are having lot of inhibitions, बहुत सारे self doubt है, but एक साल चला गया है, नेक्स्ट ईयर कर लेंगे, जनवरी आ जाएगा तब से स्टार्ट कर लेंगे, 2021 आ गया, 2022 से स्टार्ट कर देंगे. We keep on procrastinating lot of things. So, what message you would like to give us to our audience, Arpita?
Siali, first of all, as you said, that finding back is all about women empowerment.
Yes.
So there is a very wise words of Swami Vivekananda, He said that if you do not raise the women who are the living embodiment of the Divine Mother, don't think that you have any other way to rise. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that first of all, accept the way you are. Things are never been the same. Have a never give up attitude. And after all, you are a woman and you have a superpower. Never forget that. Men are not blessed with this. We women are blessed with this.
Yes, yes. Very true.
Never give up attitude is inbuilt with us. And we all are superwomen. I always cater to that. That we women are all superwomen. So always remember, when you know that you have so much responsibilities and powers, I'm sure each and every lady will bounce back.
And that's how the finding back has born last year during the lockdown. I had my own journey where I had taken a break from my career. I was a homemaker. Earlier, I was a corporate woman, taken a break. Then again, I thought it's time for me to bounce back. Because if I don't bounce back, what I'm going to give it to my next generation?
Very true.
I want that no matter whatever the situation, we are meant to thrive, not just survive. So with that intention, we have started funding back, and we are very glad to tell that we have been impacted more than 500 plus women through various
Congratulations.
initiatives of ours. And continuously we want that, the way I have bounced back in my life, the way Dhruvi's vision is to help women, and the way your vision, Arpita, we all are united together. We want our fellow women to bounce back and to thrive in life. And it's like everybody has that potential. Only thing is that awareness and that slight nudging is required. And we all are doing this wonderful job. So I thank you, Arpita, from bottom of my heart, and
My
Dhruvi.
pleasure, sweetheart.
And it's so much to learn from each and everyone, because at the end of the day, everyone has our own struggle and our own story.
Agree.
The best what we always think, if we have suffered, we don't want our fellow women to suffer, and that's what we are doing together to help our fellow women. So with this, I would like to conclude this today's session. Please take care. And Arpita, I liked your sentence, kahi der na ho jaye. There's a song like, kahi der na ho jaye. So wonderful woman, make sure kahi der na ho jaye. It's time for you to start right now. With this, thank you very much, Arpita and Dhruvi. Hopefully, we'll be connecting soon with some other interesting topic for our wonderful women. Nice to have you on this platform. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.